Hello and welcome to this quick demonstration of how to set up auto printing for your Resto shop orders. Alternatively, you can just open up the Play Store on your mobile device and do a search for Resto print. Right, there we go. Resto print, I've searched and there it comes up. First non-paid one. Okay, click into that and click on the install button. Should be a very quick click on this little icon here, which is the API scan, and it's quite sensitive, so you've got to be very careful with it. And I'm going to scan this QR code to get my consumer key and secret to connect to my site. There we go. See, it's populated those two fields now. So now I'm just going to put in the store URL. That's your full URL. Don't forget to put in the HTTPS part at the beginning. Under select a printer, if I click on that, you'll see here's a list of all the paired Bluetooth devices. And I'm going to select Bluetooth printer, which is that little printer that we installed or paired with just a moment ago. Okay, and click on save and continue. Now, if we go back and place the order. Right, there we go, order number 526. So if everything's working properly, the phone will, the app will play a sound, as you can hear, and it will automatically print out the new order as it arrives. There you can see order number 526, the order that's just been placed. And that's it. That's how it is, how easy it is to set up auto printing from your Resto shop using our free mobile app. Thank you very much.